Really just a quick big shout out to all the members of the Facebook community and my friends who have offered me phone support, particularly Andy Simpson, when things were as ever, when you're restoring or returning a bike to the road, you hit the snag that you don't suspect, or you can't understand the written instructions. But thank you to everybody that's posted. Thank you to my friends who phoned. Okay, so 1958 BSA 250 C15 Electrex ignition. For those that have been following my blog, the pullers arrived to allow me to relocate the rotor on the stator. Here goes, fingers crossed. Sealy emergency fuel tank. Just going to prime the carb. Okay.